channel. So for today's topic, nag-DIY po kami ng aking asawa and some of our mga kasama sa bahay for DIY landscape. So guys, disclaimer lang po, we are not professional landscaper. As bagong lipat, a lot of contractors are coming in and out dito sa aming new subdivision. So most of them are offering actually not landscape but just totally Bermuda, I think with a count of 900 to 1,000 4x4 Korean grass or frog grass, which will cost around 5,000 pesos. Plus, may additional daw silang, I think, 15 to 30 small plants. Nag-abang ata ko ng 2 weeks or 3 weeks bago ko po ginawa. So, I waited for my husband for him to come home and to discuss kung ano po talaga ang right decision for this. And the good thing, Uncle Badong, which is Raymond's uncle, which is currently driving for us, he told us na we can come in one of the place here in Davao where we can buy cheaper and cheapest 4x4 Korean grass. So that is what you call Bermuda. So pumunta po kami doon, and fortunately we found out that they are only selling the Korean grass for only 2 pesos. So, the difference is that with a 5,000 contract from that landscaper is that sila na po yung gagawa ng lahat. So, kasi that time nagda-doubt din ako if we should go or not. Kasi nga, parang hindi pa naman totally tapos yung bahay. Parang yung area namin sa gilid, we can still put an extension. But still, I'm undecided. So, nag-iisip talaga ako if I should proceed for Bermuda or talagang hayaan na muna like that. But I really have the desire that my baby JD will really play outside our fence. Kasi at least, minsan pagbagot na siya inside our house, he can play doon sa aming small landscape. And good thing guys, we found out that place which is they are selling it for 2 pesos only. By right, we just spent around 1,500 pesos compared with the 5,000 pesos. I hope guys, you will enjoy this video, lalo na po sa mga moms that who are desiring to have their own mini garden in their house. Stay tuned on this channel. So, I hope guys, you enjoyed that video. If you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe down below. Subscribe po kayo, and I hope you will also gonna click the ring the bell so that it will notify you kung meron po akong bagong videos that will be uploaded in my channel. Nakita nyo naman po na fast forward. Nag-enjoy po ako because I was able to spend time with my husband and some of our kasama dito sa bahay. At po, sobrang nakamura po talaga ako ng todo. Alam nyo naman po ako, gustong-gusto ko po yung nakakatipid kasi marami na po mga gastusin dito. So guys, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye!